Well, folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday. And today what we're going to be doing is fixing crispy chicken thighs. Alrighty. I got some chicken thighs there that had the bone in them. We're going to cut the bone out ourselves. That way it's got the skin. Alrighty, don't laugh at my deboning skills here. And actually they're just a little bit cheaper when you buy the ones that cut the bones in them. Get rid of that little bit of cartilage there. Alrighty, we're going to just keep on here cutting out the bone, little piece of cartilage, and then we're going to trim up a little bit of the fat on there. Alrighty, now after you get all your bones cut out, lay your chicken thigh out like that there and just take a paper towel, pat that skin dry, that way it'll crispen up better. Now this would work just as well with boneless, skinless chicken thighs, but we love that crunchy skin there it's on the chicken. A little bit of that fat here in a second, we'll trim it off. It's real quick making these. Don't take real long at all. Alrighty, there we're cutting a little bit of that fat off. Just trim it up there to whatever you think you need to do. Now you can use whatever seasoning you want to, folks. This here was some McCormick rotisserie chicken seasoning. We had never tried it before. I'm going to be honest with you, I still can't taste. Carolyn and Dan said it was great. So I don't know. I'm going by what they said. And it was so good we had it again the following night. But they said the seasoning was good and just everything was great. Alrighty. You can just use salt and pepper too if you want. That'd be fine. Alrighty. Have your skillet over there with a little bit of oil down in it. I had it turned on. And I've got the oven preheating to 415. And we're going to leave the skin side down. That way it'll get cooked good and everything there for roughly 15 minutes. 12 to 15 minutes. Just check it to make sure it's not burning. And then we'll finish it off inside the oven. So it's 15 minutes on top of the stove. And then we cooked the additional 20 minutes inside the oven there. And it's ready. Alright, we flipped it over. Take a look. They said it smelled good too. I just have to take the word for it. Alrighty, and there it is. Come out of the oven. Skin's good and crispy. That's not burnt, folks. That there just the seasoning there. Alright, and there's some corn, fried taters, and green beans. Everything except for the chicken come out of the garden. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please hit the like button and subscribe. And let your friends know about us. And you all have a blessed day. Thank you again for watching.